The Chinese character that we're going to learn today has many meanings. When it's used in the expression of I want to drink some water as the word some, that makes this sentence sound really casual and authentic. Please repeat after me. 点点点 Let's review what we have learned so far. Water, 水 Drink, 喝 And we have learned I want to a few lessons ago. It is 我想 Therefore, for the expression of I want to drink some water is 我想喝点水 Please repeat after me. 我想喝点水我想喝点水我想喝点水 Let's do it a little bit faster. 我想喝点水我想喝点水我想喝点水 Well done! 好样的 See you tomorrow. 明天见 I've spent lots of time, energy, and effort into making this video for you to learn Chinese. Please give me a thumb up or share to show me your support. Thank you. If you need more of my videos, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or search Learn Chinese with Sabrina. No boring grammar. Or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com. Have a wonderful day.